How's it going, guys? It's me, Steve. Here's the latest in Disney news. Let's get into it. After 12 years as President and Chief Operating Officer of the Oriental Land Company, owner and operator of Tokyo Disney Resort, Kiyoshiro Unishi announced today at the company's FY 2020 results meeting that he will step down effective June 29th, with Food Division and Fantasy Springs Enchantment Chief Kenji Yoshida set to replace him. Unishi has been part of the Oriental Land Company since April of 1980, moving up the ranks to eventually become Director of the General Affairs, Public Relations, and Corporate Strategy departments before his rise to Chief Operating Officer and President of OLC in April 2009. Since then, he has led the company through such projects as the Tokyo Disney Resort 30th and 35th anniversary celebrations, the Tokyo Disney Celebration Hotel, Soaring, Fantastic Flight of Tokyo Disney Sea, and of course, the massive new Fantasyland expansion at Tokyo Disneyland. Yoshida, meanwhile, is another longtime veteran, joining OLC in April 1984 and rising through the ranks to direct the finance and accounting and food divisions, as well as assuming the position of Director of Fantasy Springs Enchantment Division. Unishi will assume an executive advisory role upon his stepping down on June 29th of this year. A new president has generally led to different styles of management at Tokyo Disney Resort. We can only look to the future and hope that Kenji Yoshida will continue to lead the Oriental Land Company and Tokyo Disney Resort to the top. Luca, the coming-of-age story, is set in a seaside town on the Italian Riviera and follows the adventures of teenage Luca, voiced by Jacob Tremblay, and Alberto, voiced by Jack Dylan Grazer, who are threatened by a deeply held secret. They are both sea monsters. The film is directed by Enrico Casarosa, who directed La Luna, and produced by Andrea Warren, who produced Lava and Cars 3. In addition to Tremblay and Grazer, it stars Emma Berman, Maya Rudolph, Marco Baracelli, and Jim Gaffigan. Disney and Pixar's Luca is coming to Disney Plus for no extra charge for subscribers on June 18th, 2021. The Art of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge coffee book table was released this week, and it is chock full of art that led to the creation of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Now we have a look at the upcoming hotel sit-down restaurant. The opening image is captioned Cruiser Restaurant Interior Version 1, Church, Lim, Chang, and the Art of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, letting us know this concept art is for the upcoming hotel's restaurant, which will feature entertainment for guests. Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser is said to be a luxury experience that will be a dinner show of sorts. The table service restaurant will be on the main level where guests enter the hotel, along with some guest rooms, the dojo, a courtyard, a brig, the engineering room, and some restrooms. On other floors, there are other dining options such as the Silver Sea. Lounge Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser was originally announced to open in 2021, but Disney has not released any updates on the opening as of late. It has been almost 2 weeks since the final turret cap decoration was installed on Cinderella's castle at Magic Kingdom. The castle is being decorated for its upcoming 50th anniversary and only one piece of decor remains to be installed. A large plaque reading 50 will be placed over the clock in the center of Cinderella's castle. Recently, we saw 4 posts on the castle indicating that the sign is coming soon. The black posts can be seen against the royal blue roofing behind the clock. The sign will hang directly above the castle's balcony, and there are 2 posts on either side. As final touches are made to the highly anticipated Disney's Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, due to open soon, Disneyland Paris has announced a regal transformation of the iconic Disneyland Hotel, which will be the first Disney hotel to celebrate a royal theme. This complete refurbishment is the next step in an ambitious renovation plan for all Disneyland Paris hotels spanning years and more than 5,700 rooms. The impressive transformation demonstrates Disneyland Paris' ongoing commitment to continually invest in the guest experience and a successful strategy to infuse more beloved Disney franchises and stories into its hotels. Disneyland Paris is now accelerating its refurbishment plan by embarking on the transformation of the Disneyland Hotel, which will strengthen its flagship status at the resort and offer guests an even better 5-star experience. This hotel is known not only for its privileged position at the entrance of Disneyland Park, but also for its impeccable service that has propelled it to be a guest favorite in the iconic resort hotel of Disneyland Paris. The elegant Victorian architecture that guests have come to know when approaching Disneyland parks, while the Disney magic that guests love will be enhanced. The Disneyland Hotel will be infused with the royal theme and become the true kingdom of many favorite Disney princesses and princes, from classics like Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, and Sleeping Beauty, but also recent hits Frozen and Tangled. Guest public areas will be reimagined to pay homage to these beloved films and their characters, while all hotel rooms and suites will be entirely rethemed to offer the most immersive experience. Expect refined creative decor and magical touches that will surprise the whole family, as only Disney can do. There were plenty of crew members at World Showcase Lagoon and Epcot yesterday morning as they cleaned and painted some of the harmonious barges parked in the water. Crew members were atop this barge, as well as on a boat to the side. The crew was pressure washing some of the exterior closest to the water. The other side of the barge was freshly washed and therefore looked darker. Painters were filling in spots of black paint while power washing finished. The barges haven't been out for long, but the elements in water have already done a number on them. Android users can now use their phones in place of a Magic Band, as MagicMobile had gone live yesterday. Part of the My Experience app, MagicMobile enables the user's device to function as a park ticket, key room, and more. You can access Disney MagicMobile through the menu on the bottom right. It will first prompt you to set up your pass. You can customize your animated ticket with different park theme options. After selecting your animation, the app will prompt you to save your pass to Google Pay. Similar to iPhones, Android uses the Near Field Communication, or NFC, function of a phone, which is also used for tap and pay technologies. Phones without NFC, or those not able to install the latest version of the My Disney Experience app, won't be able to use a MagicMobile. Once you've successfully saved your pass, it will be available for you to use at the turnstiles. Make sure to select Hold Near Terminal to use. Soon, resort guests will be able to use MagicMobile to charge to their rooms, but that feature is not live yet. Though Disneyland Park's grand reopening isn't until April 30th, cast members and guests can start visiting the parks due to the soft opening. In a new video from Disney, Main Street USA, cast members prepare for guests to enter the park for the first time in forever. The broadcast included presentations from Josh D'Amaro, chairman of Disney Parks, and Ken Potrock, president of the Disneyland Resort. Views of a reawakened Sleeping Beauty Castle were shown. Sleeping Beauty Castle was ceremoniously relit for the first time since March 2020. It was a short video, however, watching Disneyland lit up was inspirational and makes me want to go there when they allow out-of-staters. Thank you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and Patreon, which are both Disney with Washington. You'll get more content, and I guarantee you won't regret it. We're almost to 1,000 followers. Thank you to everyone who follows my content, and we're just getting started, and there's plenty more to go. Thanks for the support, and remember guys, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.